Hey, what's going on, everybody? So good morning, good evening, wherever you're at. We're going to be looking at doing this 4,500 gallon tanker. All right, All right, everybody, so this is the after on this 4,500 gallon tanker, and as you can see, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Turned out beautiful. Come on down. Just see that, just turned out beautiful, y'all. As you can see. And all through here, turned out absolutely amazing. Turned out great. Turned out beautiful. Turned out gorgeous. Just like a mirror. So, if you're interested in having your big rig polished, and you are anywhere in Florida, South Florida, Central Florida, all the way through Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, or in Tennessee, just give us a call, 800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341 to have your ride looking right, looking nice, looking tight. So, appreciate everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Notifications for videos just like this. Let's go.